Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to hide the data from your Excel sheet format. Now what the people can do normally, they can select the data they want to hide and simply they will be selecting the white color. So what happened now, see, the text will be not visible, but now suppose I am selecting it and provide the background color as a different color, obviously the data will be visible, isn't it? Now what you need to do, now see, I have this particular format and I want to now make these particular cells invisible. Now what I am going to do, I am going to select the data, right click on the data and go to the format cells, click on a custom tab, and now here instead of general you need to provide here three semicolons. So once you press 3 semicolons, press OK. Now see, the content from your Excel sheet is vanished, and if you see the specific cell, the data is already available here. You can observe the data here, but it is not shown in the format. Thank you.